What does summarization look like in your classroom? Let me show you what it looks like in mine. With the help of Canva, we were able to create magazine cover summaries, and I want to show you how I did it. When you log into Canva, you're going to come up here and you're going to type in magazine cover templates, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch of things that pop up. Now, as you go, you can look for covers and things that kind of fit the style of what you want your students to do. I looked generally in terms of like titles and things on the side, and I wanted to make sure that there was enough space for my students to work with, but I didn't necessarily need a lot of writing room. Once you find the templates that you want to let your students use, you're going to click onto it, and you're not going to edit anything on the template. You're actually going to go to Share, you're going to go to More, and then you're going to hit Template Link. And this link can be given to students, which means they will then each get a copy of the template in its original form. What I ended up doing was taking screenshots of each of those pictures, putting them on my LMS, and then linking that template link to each picture. Then all students had to do was pick the magazine they wanted, click it, and it opened the template for them to use. This was an awesome project, and as you can see, each student took different templates and they were able to edit it to go along with the theme of the novel that we were reading. We used this project and did it for a chapter, so each magazine represented a different chapter of the story. What's really awesome about this idea is that it can be adapted to any grade level or subject area, and it allows us as teachers to formally assess our students based upon the creation of something that they do themselves. Like and follow for more interactive lessons, and as always, leave any questions you have in the comments.